In our daily life, we have different kinds of things and we need different types of storage for everything. Data is no exception. We need different variables for storing different kinds of data. For storing a numeric variable, we can define a number variable. We can give it any value that is a number. Let's give it 25 and let's now print it. We can see the value of number variable being printed. Let's uncomment every line and see what is printed. We can see the values of each variable is printed. As an exercise, I would suggest you pause this video here and convert the same code to Python. You can easily convert this code to Python by removing all the let keywords and replacing the console logs with print. One difference is that the true value is capitalized in Python as well as the false.